I am going to simplify this as much as I can so every makeup beginner out there can recreate it easily. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? If you're new to my channel, my name is Aisha and my channel is all about makeup. So unfortunately, last week I was not able to post the video of the eye makeup look that I asked you guys. Should I be creating green or purple or white or silver? And you guys voted for, mostly people voted for purple and green. But I was unable to film it because my little one had a very severe chest infection and I didn't get a chance to film it. But now I am doing it. Also, in this video, I am going to share something very important. So now let's start the video. Now, before I start with the eye makeup, these are all the inspirations I had for this eye look, and I am going to make it so simple that every beginner out there can recreate it very easily. So now let's start the video. Before I start showing you what eyeshadows I'll be using for this look, let me just do my eyebrows and the eyeshadow base and I'll be right back. So I'm done with the eyeshadow base, I'm done with my eyebrows. Now let me show you what colors I'm using for this look. So these are the two palettes that I'm using today. I'm using this palette because can you see the green? I love this color. This is such a perfect. I think this is probably the most perfect green color I've ever seen. This palette is from Wet n Wild. It is from their Color Con series called Stop Playing Safe. I'm not playing safe today. I forgot to show you this. This is the purple I'm using today for this look. This from the first palette that I showed you, the Color Con palette. I'm using this shade. This is such a perfect green shade. And for my crease area, I'm using this as a transition shade. These two shades from this palette. And from this palette, I am using, this is a metallic purple and I'm using this. This is such a pretty metallic purple shade. I'm obsessed. And, okay, black obviously. And last shade. And the matte purple from this eyeshadow. So this is the shade that I'm using, the matte purple. These are all the shades that I'm using today. Although I'm using 5 shades today, I am going to keep this as simple as humanly possible. I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm starting with this shade right here. And I am going to dust this all over my crease area. I'm taking this shade right here, the black shade, and I'm going to pack it on my lid. I know, it sounds very intimidating. It can look messy, but I will show you how you can do it very easily. Now just take some, I'm doing it with a flat brush, not a blending brush, and I'm taking just a little bit of the black, tapping off the excess, and I'm going to start packing it very close to my lash line. And that's it. I'm not going to blend it. I am not going to add any more product. I'm going to leave it as it is. Now, this black doesn't have to be perfect right now because what I'm about to do next will make it perfect. Now, the brush that I used before, I'm cleaning it, the fluffy side. And the matte purple eyeshadow that I showed you, just taking some on the fluffy brush. And I'm going to blend the harsh black line towards the crease area. Since I want to blend it and I don't have an extra blending brush, I'm just going to clean the excess from this blending brush with the brush cleaner with no product on. I'm going to blend it a little bit more so it looks very seamless. Now this is an eyeshadow blending technique that I learned. I know you will find this helpful as well. When blending, Don't press too much pressure and apply back and forth motion. Too much pressure will just ruin it, but keeping the pressure to a bare minimum will give the desired look. I'm done with both sides. Now the metallics. I'm taking the flat brush again. I cleaned it. If you have another brush, you can use it. I'm going to use the same brush. I've just cleaned the brush with the brush cleaner. I'm taking this green right here and I'm placing it towards the outer corner. This is the hooded part. So I'm keeping the green a bit above it. Now the metallic purple from this one. I am going to start this shade from exactly where I stopped the green, right here. And I am going to blend the two shades as I go forward. And that's it. Right. Now this is totally optional, but since I have a purple glitter and I really want to use it. So I'm taking this glitter right here and placing it in the center. Now wing liner is a choice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tightline my upper waterline and I am going to use this black eyeshadow right here with this angled brush. Now what happens when you tightline your upper waterline is that it gives you a very defined lash line, and when you apply mascara and no false lashes, it actually gives an illusion of fuller lashes. So that is one amazing advantage of tightlining the upper waterline. I'm done with both the sides. Let me just apply the foundation and concealer and I'll be right back. And I'm back. Now let me show you the final steps of the eye makeup. Now I'm taking the matte purple eyeshadow and an angled brush. And I'm adding it to my lower waterline. I do my lower waterline with an angled brush and I usually keep very close to my lash line because I don't want a messy look here. What this does is it keeps the eyeshadow in place without spreading everywhere. And the same green to take it all the way in. And blending it with purple. Now adding black fold to my lower waterline. Adding my favorite mascara. Can you see how full my lashes are looking? Not only that, my lash line, since I tightlined it, it looks so much defined. See, that is what I was telling you guys. Now for the highlighter, I'm taking this mauve highlighter here. And I'm adding it to the inner corner of my eye here, the brow bone. And I'm using the same highlighter for my face as well. Now, before I apply the lipstick, there is something very important I need to share with you guys. I'll be gone for a few weeks. It's a family matter and I have to travel for it. So, I won't be posting anything for a few weeks at least. But once I'm back, I will definitely start posting videos regularly once I'm back. Till the time I'm not back, enjoy my previous videos and I'll be posting a few short videos so you can enjoy those videos till I'm back. And now the lip combo. The lip combo I'm pairing this look up with. If you want to know the details of the lip combo, they're in the description box below. The lip liner. Perfect movie nude pink color. And the last lipstick. So this is my final look. I love this look. I swear. I am going to recreate it again for a function or a party for sure. What do you think of my look? Do write in the comments. So if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends. And I cannot believe this is my last video. But don't worry. I'll be back in a few weeks. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such videos. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.